Jalapeno bacon, baked potato. Let's go. Let's make it, guys. You want to get your 4 russet potatoes. We're doing all of this in the freaking air fryer. And yes, it's going to be great whether it's in an oven, smoker, or even an air fryer. Let's put some olive oil and my favorite, Kinder seasoning. Yes, the buttery garlic. This thing is amazing, dude. If you don't have this, give it a shot. I'm telling you, it's delicious. Go ahead and coat these babies with some oil and that seasoning. Throw them in your air fryer. We're going to be cooking at 400 degrees, all right, for 1 hour. And we're just going to go ahead and set it right here. And I like this new glass air fryer I just got. Pretty cool. I guess it's safer and cleaner or whatever. But anyways, it works well, and I like that I can see into it. So let's get some bacon. We're going to chop it up into cubes and start frying this bacon. I've been obsessed with bacon and jalapeno combo for quite a while now, so I thought, let me make a baked potato. My kid has braces, and I wanted to make this baked potato as soft as I possibly can, and he loves bacon. But this potato in the video is going to be for me with the jalapeno, because he won't eat it with that much jalapeno like I like it. So just brown this thing up, and we're ready to go now. Get it nice golden and brown like this and crispy. Let it go ahead and strain on the paper towel, and then we're going to go ahead and check on our potato here, and it's starting to get a little toasty on top. So this is a little tip: just put some aluminum foil right on top and throw this bad boy back in until it's finished, and yeah, that'll prevent it from basically burning the top and still cooking it. So get yourself 1 jalapeno, and we're going to go ahead and dice this up. Do not de-seed it. I want the spice in it. You want to taste some of that jalapeno. If you de-seed it, it kind of kills it and ruins it a bit. So leave the seeds on there, would you? All right, so let's just dice it up, chop it up finely, and then let's go ahead and start checking on this potato, which is done now. Okay, it probes tender with the fork, so we're going to pull it off. All right, our potato is all done, and you're supposed to smash it when you're done, which I don't know if that's going to do anything, but let's just try it out. Kind of crazy, but I guess you're supposed to smash it a couple times and it kind of loosens it up. So we'll give it a try. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Pretty soft. We're gonna go ahead and put some butter in there. Let that start melting. Yellow cheese, sharp cheese in there. Let that start to melt. Bacon bits right on top. We're gonna put some fresh jalapenos in there because I like the spice. What I like to put is some of this Lawry's. It's just a staple for me. Put some Lawry's in there. Reminds me of those ballpark fries. And we're using some crema mexicana. So we're gonna hit this up. Damn, it's looking good, man. Put a couple more fresh jalapenos up in here. A little dash of some cheese. Boom. Look at that guy. A couple more for the garnish. There it is. Check out that bad boy. We're gonna give this thing a try. All right, guys, we're gonna give this baked potato a try. Looks really good. Woo. Put some bacon in there. Look at that. Woo. Money, man. Spicy, got the cheesy, got the crunchy from the bacon. The salt from the seasoning salt. Gotta try this baked potato, no lie. It's epic. It's good stuff. Go ahead and like and subscribe. And let's see what I cook next. So freaking good.